Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Thomas. Today I'm going to be replacing the AC compressor in my 03 G35 coupe. Alright, be a full tutorial, show you how to do it and everything. Yeah, if you guys enjoy, let's get into it. Now we are on to taking off these 3 mounting bolts. So okay, so in the engine bay, this is how it's sitting right now. It's more like a little bit of a slant, right, like that. So you have this sensor that you want to take off. So, and then you have the 2 actual lines. That's what we're doing right now. He's taking those off, and then we can finally take those off. And then there is 1 big bolt that's gonna be right here, and 2 on the bottom there with another sensor on the bottom. And then it should come out. So it's got the extension there working on those the actual lines. So. Alright guys, if you haven't yet, make sure to leave a like or any comments down below because it really helps me out as a creator, and it pushes my videos to the top so they get more views, and it just helps me out in the long term, alright? So make sure to leave a like or any other tutorials. I'm obviously going to be filming anything I do to my car, so you'll always have those. But yeah, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you aren't already, but let's get back to it. Okay, so we just got the old one out. Oh, it's sitting right here. It was tough to get out. It wasn't horrible. It only took us, how long did you say, like 10, 15 minutes to get out?
10.
Yeah, so it wasn't terrible. It, let's see. So new one is in there right now, we're putting that in. But I just wanted to film this real quick. It kept getting caught on the lower coolant hose right here, so we just kind of pushed that to the side. And then we also took off, let's see, where'd it go? Still on there? We took off like one of these brackets for the AC line, and then that let us pull it up through the top here, because that worked a lot better than down through the bottom. So yeah, just however I recommend from the top, but however you can get it out, we got it out. So yeah. Should I turn it up? Yeah, AC?